going to learn about finding the z-scores when the area between two values or two values of z-scores are given. And again, the online calculator which we are going to use, it's available on this page. Okay, now these are the questions which we are going to discuss. Again, these are examples of standard normal distribution. Values of z are lying between minus s and s, and that area is given as 0.20. Our aim is to find that s and minus s. As we see, if we draw this diagram roughly, then we can make out, then because the area is very small, so it's somewhat close to the origin axis or at z equals to 0, and this area is suppose given as 0.20. Again, I'm going to discuss the example with the calculator and also with the table so that you have familiarity of ideas of both of them. Value of z. Let us assume or find this value with the calculator first, then we will refer to the table. Our aim is to find the value of s and minus s. Area is given as 0.20. Going back to area, 0.20. Our aim is to find between. Now, as soon as I click on between, I have seen that we got the value of z as value of s and minus s. So s is going to be positive and negative, both 0.253. This is what we got from the calculator instantly. If the same thing we want to do on with the table, let's learn that method. Now, because we know that the table gives us value only for left tail, that's why we need to change this question into a left tail question. So I'm going to get this area. If I can find this area, then I can change the whole question to a left tail question. To do that, now if this is 0.20, the remaining area, which is the colored part, it is going to be equal to 1 minus 0.20, which is equal to 0.80. Now this 0.80 together, this and this together make 0.80. So if I divide it by 2, so I'm going to have this value is 0.40. So each area is going to be 0.40. I'm going to find the value of, now this is going to be minus s and this is going to be plus s. So for all z less than minus s, area is given as 0.40. So I'm going to look for this area in the table so that I get the value of minus s. So minus s equals to, I'm going to look for 0.40 in the table now. 0.40 is less than 0.5, so it's going to be on the negative page. I'm going to look for 0.40. 0.40, 0.4013, 3974. Now if I compare both of them, this is approximately 13 points away, 0.0013 I should say. This is 0.0013 bigger, and this is 0.0026 digits away. This is 0.00. So among both of them, this one seems to be more closer. So the value corresponding to z is, let's go back to the value, minus 0.2, minus 0.2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 0.25. So the value of z is minus 0.25, and we can see minus 0.25, the values are exactly the same. We have the approximated value with the table, minus 0.25. So the value of s is going to be 0.25 also. So we have s both positive and negative 0.25. This is how we can calculate the value of z-score using calculator and the table. We get the same value, but we don't have to use both of them. We have to just one. Either we are using the calculator or you use the table for finding the value of z-score. And this is how we can find the values of z-score when the area or the middle area between two z-scores are given. Let's discuss next question. I'm going to use the calculator now to find the value of u. Area given is 0.50 and we have to find between, so recalculate. So the value of u is going to be plus n minus 0.674. Sometimes they give question in this form, sometimes the other forms are also available, like in the next question which is given as this. Now the area is given as 0.5035. This is given in the diagram form. Our aim is to find the value of z. I'm just going to use the calculator. 0.5035 between, recalculate, 0.68. So the value of z is plus n minus 0.68. So for the negative part, it is going to be minus 0.68. For the positive part, it's going to be 0.68. This is how we find the z-scores when the area between the two z-scores are given. Thank you.